love a good deal. Everybody likes getting a good deal. When I go shopping online, sometimes I will search through and find if there's any existing like promotional codes or anything like that. I get asked that sometimes at Chic Sparrow, do you guys have any sales going on, or are there any discount codes? And I'm here today to tell you of a very exciting event we're having on April 30th. A lot of retired leathers, some specialty sizes like trifold, composition, passport, and passport plus are going to be on sale for 25% off. All of these sizes, these special books, are being available in a lot of these retired leathers, such as Aubergine, Pemberley, English Rose, Castle Rock. There will be Daisy, Fern, Poppy. I'm not going to be able to show you everything that's going to be in the sale, but just to get you a little bit excited, the composition in this beautiful Pemberley Aubergine, this will also be available in English Rose and Castle Rock, but you'll have to use the discount code. So before the sale, probably about 5 to 7 days before the sale, I'll put out a newsletter and it will have everything you need to know. And if it doesn't answer all your questions, then I hope you'll feel comfortable to reach out to customer care, either by phone or by email, and so that we can get you all the things you need to know so you'll be ready for the sale. So this is a 2016 color in Aubergine. When we released the Aubergine, it was with Tenerife Sea, a beautiful turquoise, English Rose, and Castle Rock. 4. And they all featured black stitching, which is kind of unusual for us. At Chic Sparrow, we typically go with the contrast stitching. So these are highly sought after with that dark stitching, and there will be quite a few, I believe. So if you've been looking out for this, or you've been wanting it, or you've been wanting that dark stitching, this would be a good time to try it. Another Pemberley color that we didn't keep around for very long, but we still have a little bit of leather left, is this beautiful Garnet, which is a dark burgundy Pemberley. As I said, Passport and Passport Plus. Don't worry, this isn't going into retirement, but this is a Passport Titanic Mr. Darcy, and so I'm just showing you that we'll even have leathers that are currently available in Passport. There will be a collection online that is the spring cleaning sale section, and everything will be in there. So you won't have to go searching the website, everything will be there, and it should be pretty easy to find what you're looking for. A really fun one that I'm excited about is the trifold, which will be available in some of those retired Pemberley colors. So the trifold like this will actually hold wide or A5. Okay, so I want you to remember that there is a code. Every time we have a sale, there will be a code. It'll be given to you in the newsletter. The code has to be used at the time of purchase in order for it to be valid. I really want you to get your savings, so don't forget to use the code. And a couple just details. They can't be combined with other promotions. So if you have a rewards or whatever, they can't be combined, and they can't be added after the fact. So just make sure to use your code. We'll make sure to put a banner on the website so it'll be really easy to see, and it'll be right there when you're checking out. You just have to type it in. So this has just been a sneak peek. There are lots of leathers that will be available, lots of different styles. This event is April 30th, 9 a.m. Pacific, and there will be a newsletter with more details. I hope to see you there.